It's common in most places that raising animals indoors has negative effect on children's health. But no one talks about the benefits for children due to the presence of dogs in the house, despite the many. Not only do dogs help improve health and psychological well-being, they also help to make children build knowledge and relationships with others. When children walk with dogs, pedestrians and children of their age stop to play and have fun with the dogs and flirt with them, leading to social relationships with others. And that in itself is considered a good thing. The children acquire new friends and do not experience loneliness and isolation. For example, pit bulls are considered very aggressive, which is why young children are not allowed to approach them, fearing for their lives. Because this predatory dog will cut the child to pieces if it's in a state of frenzy and finds it in front of it. But in reality, this group of dogs can be obedient and peaceful enough the human mind cannot imagine. Today we'll show you this exciting story which tells about a 4-year-old girl who'd been able to prove to everyone that these animals that people consider aggressive are really not always so. They're mostly peaceful dogs, but only some circumstances make them attack. One of the mothers decided to photograph her 4-year-old daughter as she was testing 6 pit bull dogs who were raising them in her home to feed them. The scene may seem strange to some, so how can a little girl enter the 6 dogs from the smoothness of the pit bull, known for its ferocity and strength? But the mother was sure that her dogs are not like this, and she kept watching how her daughter deals with the 6 dogs. The girl was standing and carrying some food in her hand and hiding it behind her, while all the dogs sat in a row waiting for the girl, taught them how to know that the time for food had come. And she also taught them the position to take it in order to get it. When the little girl poured food boxes on the floor in front of the 6 dogs, none of them approached them, but the dogs kept looking at the girl and waiting for a signal from her to start eating food. The sign of the girl is counted from 1 to 5, after which the pit bull dogs go quietly and start eating. And the mother of that girl says that the 6 dogs live together and do not separate, where they do everything together. And when she noticed the great harmony between her and her daughter, she decided to make her take care of them all, where she got used to them, and they became obedient to her, to the extent that they do everything she asks of them, and they refrain from everything that she forbade them, as they play with her and play with her. The mother adds that the dogs are waiting impatiently for her daughter to return from the nursery as they keep the date of her arrival, and when she approaches, they gather in front of the entrance of the door and watch, to start running towards her to receive her when it appears. Pictures of this girl and her dog spread through social media and surprised everyone, as followers expressed their admiration for the strong relationship that brought together the fiercest types of dogs and a girl under 4 years old. Recent studies and research done on young children who live with dogs and pets are proving that they're healthier. And healthier children have never lived with dogs or pets before, and will now show you the most important health and behavioral benefits that accrue to children because of raising dogs. And when you leave a dog at home, everyone, especially children, feels safe and comfortable, especially when the dog is a guard dog. All dogs are characterized by loyalty to their owners, which makes them like a loyal friend who protects their owners, which may expose them to risks. It's known that dogs love to play, have fun, and practice sports activities, and training of all kinds. Taming the pet by walking with him outside the home, in addition to playing with him, is one of the most beneficial activities for the child's body, as it urges him to move and to increase the activities far away from the house rooms, and away from the TV and electronic games, which give the child new physical and social skills.